Hello.
Good afternoon. Are you new to the university?
Yes, soy Luis Marcia Melita Becerra and the youth.
I am Jefferson Juarez. Welcome.
I am from Bagua. And you, Lima?
No, I am from Piura. How old are you?
I'm 2 years old, Ninano.
I am 18 years old. What are you studying?
Young studio psychology and the youth.
I am studying psychology too.
Yes, with non-effective results and stereotypic behaviors, motion takeover, cautious effort, car, determination, can situate, hat, passetti, biker, cafe, tibroto, have, charity.
Perfect. I'll see you in the cafeteria a few minutes.
Sí, later.